Hello everyone, welcome to Botany Insider. So this particular video is related to the full course that we are starting off on our application. Yes, Botany Insider have its own application. So if you haven't yet downloaded our application, download it from the App Store and also from the Play Store. It is available both on the iOS and the Android devices. Now in this particular lecture, I'll be giving you full information regarding the course, the detailed course that we are going to start for the June 2023 examination. So if you are targeting for this particular examination, this course would help you out in the best manner possible. This particular course starts from 9th of January 2023, that is in the second week of the January month. We are starting off with this particular detailed full-fledged course. The preparation time or the complete duration would be 3 months. It would we'll be having structured preparation, we'll be having structured discussion of all the topics in the best manner possible on our application in this particular course, talking about the features of this course. So as you all know that we have 3 parts in the examination, part A, part B and part C. B and C is related to the theory portion and part A is related to the general aptitude section. So do not worry about anything. We have taken care of all the sections. So for the theory classes, that is for part B and C, this would be taken care of, and in the general aptitude classes, we'll be having our part A, that is the part which most of the students tend to skip off. We'll be covering up the previous year questions related to the general aptitude classes. In addition to that, do not worry about the notes as well. You'll get the hard copy of the notes booklet. Yes, we have a notes booklet if you all remember. So you'll be getting the hard copy of the notes booklet right at your doorstep. Do not worry about the notes as well. You just have to send us our address in the same amount whatever we'll be charging. So every single thing would be covered up. Next, we'll be having the PYQ sessions for you to get to understand what type of questions are asked and how you should actually proceed. And finally, regular doubt sessions would be held. We'll be doing all the whatever doubt do you face or whatever problems do you face in this complete preparation, it would help you out. So these are the 5 main important features which you need to remember. So do not wait for a single minute to get enrolled. If you are targeting the June 2023 examination, this particular course would help you out, and we'll be doing the questions in the best detailed manner. Do not worry about that. In addition, doubt sessions would help you out to clear out your doubts, and all the classes would be live. We'll be having live classes. Even if you miss out any live class, all the recordings would be shared with you, and you can download the recordings. The recordings as well as the live class could be watched on the web as well as your mobile phones. So all the features would help you out to prepare for this examination in the best manner possible. Next, talking about the units that we are going to target. So all the units starting from the biochemistry, cell biology, fundamental processes, cell signaling, developmental processes, plant physiology, genetics, diversity of life forms, ecology, evolution, applied biology, methods in biology. All the units would be targeted except for animal physiology. So this unit would be excluded from our course. Except for this, all the other units would be targeted in the best manner possible. The most important, the frequently asked questions would be taken into the consideration, and we will be designing a syllabus of our own. So you can enroll in this course. The course starts from 9th of January. Hurry up, get yourself enrolled in this course. This course would help you out in the best manner possible. It's a full detailed course. Every single day 2-hour classes would be held. So you will be able to have a track of the preparation as well, and regular classes would help you out to perform better, to keep your track of the preparation and all the other advantages adding up for the same. So all the things are taken care for, like be it the theory classes, the general aptitude classes. In addition to that, the notes would be provided to you at your doorstep, the PYQ sessions and the doubt session. All of these would be summed up for your preparation, for your rock solid preparation. Now we are having a 20% off discount for the initial enrollments. We are having only limited enrollments in this particular course. So grab the offer right now. You'll be able to get all these things. You can also have the feature of installments, like you can, if you wish, you can have the installment feature as well as for yourself. So get yourself enrolled in this particular course. This course would help you out in the best manner possible. Theory classes, general aptitude classes, hard copy notes, PYQ sessions, doubt sessions, all these things would help you out to prepare better, would help you out to perform better in this particular examination. Every other thing, all other details, you can contact us personally. You can download our application from the App Store, from the Google Play Store, and get yourself enrolled right away. This was about for this particular video. In addition to that, if you also have various other courses running, so if you wish to have, you can have these contents as well. For the time being, we are having a live session course on this 500 practice question course. We are already done with this course, and also the general aptitude course was completed a few days back. So you can, if you wish, you can have the recordings as well. Every single thing is present in our application. Download our app and get yourself enrolled. Give yourself that boost of preparation and perform better. So this was about for this particular video. Thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Botany Insider, and let us reach 10,000 subscribers very soon. Thank you for watching this video. Good luck.